Hi, welcome to DEKOM's YouTube channel. My name is Robert and today I will be showing you how to share content with the Clickshare button. Sharing your laptop screen through the Clickshare button is pretty easy. There should be a Clickshare button on the table and you just plug it into one of the USB ports of your laptop. This will open up a small window and a folder with the Clickshare application in it. Just double click to start the application and then it will show a little pop-up screen in the bottom right hand corner of your laptop stating that it's connecting to the base unit. Once this is finished, you just press the button and it will start sharing your screen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more tutorials.